The best flat ground skater in the entire world. Everything counts.
Trying to break us down.
Carlos is saying he doesn't know what he's doing.
Oh no.
What's up, you guys? We're here today with special guest, the best flat ground skater in the entire world, who happens to have gotten injured in the video before this, Johnny Geiger. Welcome, welcome. And I know you've been here for like a week, but I'm just gonna say welcome because you're still welcome here.
Thank you. Aw, thank you.
Yeah. We also have Fetty Potter, Carlos Lastra, the Underlord Cthulhu.
I'm the overlord right now.
And they're gonna play a game of everything counts skateboard, meaning that literally anything on flat ground counts. If you wanted to get your board, throw it and hit that light, shatter it, and then jump back on your board, and you actually called that, we would count that. But anyways, you get the point.
I get it.
You can get as weird as you want. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. Rochambeau, let's see who goes first.
Please let it be me since I'm slightly injured.
Johnny is first, as already written on the board.
Wow, you called the whole order.
Did I call it? Did I call that? Oh, hey, you wanna play? I forgot Chris McNugget's a person. Hold up. You're last. What are you doing? Everything counts.
You spelled my name wrong.
Chiss. Everything counts game of skate. Everything counts on flat ground.
Regular skateboards?
No, skateboard is what we're going to.
But like regular, we're using our boards.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, you know that it's a Braille video when the skater asks, is it on a regular board or is it on a weird board? I can't talk right now. I just did a 540 flip for the first time. I'm hyped.
Just this last. That's rude.
Oh. Ref?
No!
Oh, hard ref today. We'll give it to him.
Wow.
And that's a letter for Chris. Oh.
I just learned this.
There you go. Betty, show him what you learned.
Taking me back to 2004.
Yeah! This is gonna be a long game for you, Chris. Okay. Letter.
Ladder.
Dude, my wheels are so slippery.
Did you skate in chocolate?
Sketchy!
Oh!
Was that right?
Flex on him.
I think I went the wrong way.
Doing terrible.
That's what happens when you hop in the game.
Oh, he's trying to break us down.
Count.
That's the
Wow.
Steve's way, brother.
Such beauty and grace. Oh! Whoa!
I'm on fire today. Oh,
Uh-oh.
this one gets me every time.
Nice. Ref?
It touched my foot.
Letter.
I mean,
Johnny's a good guy.
the intent was there. Do we have to like spin around?
Hey, I'll allow you to start in primo.
No, they didn't.
Oh!
I tried.
Halfway down, Chris. Halfway down. Oh.
I heard a crack. Switch.
I've never tried that switch.
Wait, switch would be this way?
Done it.
I've had a lot of freestyle practice as of late.
Too slippery. Dang.
Good.
Too slippery.
How did you get away with that?
Oh. What?
I hurt my hand.
Oh. Oh, dude, that's a hard one. Hey. Do it to him.
Had to do it to him.
Oh.
He showed you up.
Defense.
That was effortless, perfect, finesse.
Oh, that's a tough one.
That was just rude.
Ooh.
How can I squirrel out of this?
Very
one?
nice.
Oh!
Nollie 360? Wow.
He popped! You popped!
You didn't pop?
Nah, my wheel was on the ground the whole time. It's everything counts. Did he say fakey ollie butt crunch? Your turn.
Johnny!
Usually I don't do this, but I can't do regular bonelesses right now. So I'm gonna do this. Switch.
I like my skate tricks like I like my pizza. Boneless.
I don't really figure that one out, dude.
Minimal effort, you know.
Whoa.
Whoa, wait.
Better! Wow.
Chris, just put both feet on, you got it.
Oh, nice. Clean wipe.
Tough. He tried to put too much steez in his knees. Hey,
That is actually a good idea.
wait, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh!
The Joey B?
Joey B.
My last letter already.
That was just rude.
Come on, Chris. No!
I beat Chris at something.
I got smoked on that.
Come on, I held on to it that long.
I'll do it.
Oh no. Good trick.
Carlos legit looks like a toddler when he goes into the fetal position like that. Where's Fetty at?
R.
Oh man. Oh. What?
I did it. I just did it.
I think that's good for Johnny on defense.
Never done this before.
Like this. Body! Just spin it a few times and I'll give it to you.
I cannot do like straight primo flips, so.
Oh! That's the last letter, Carlos. Carlos is saying he doesn't know what he's doing. That was very cool. I enjoyed that.
I usually do not suck at this.
You got it, Johnny. Oh no!
That was the worst game I played so far.
And the winner of the actual game is Carlos Lastra. But the winner in my heart is Johnny Geiger.
Worst performance ever.
That was the best performance ever. Johnny is literally hurt. Like he got so hurt doing a video that he had to put like, what is that? Like Tiger Balm stuff on his butt. Like right here, whatever that muscle is. And then he like couldn't even walk and went and took a nap in his car. So the fact that he even played this game.
Can't even do this.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check those out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you should go learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs.